Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can connect Exness with MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to Exness and log in, and we have to open an account. So click on open new account, and let's say this one standard. Click continue. I want a demo account. Choose the leverage. So let's say 500, for example. The balance, the currency, and the name. Let's say AB Amrani. And type a password. So let's say this one. Okay. Then click on create an account. Okay. So this is my account, $500. Okay, now we have to download MetaTrader 5. So go to Google and type download MetaTrader 5. Click on it and choose your operating system. For me, I have a Windows. Okay, click on it. Yes, click next. Now click on finish. And as you can see, this is MetaTrader 5. Okay, now we have to connect MetaTrader 5 with Exness. Okay, so go to File, click on Open an Account. Then go to this bar and search for Exness Technologies Ltd. Exness. Just type Exness and click on Find Your Company. And choose this one, Exness Technologies Ltd. Click on it and click on Next. Okay, now go and choose this one, Connect with an existing trading account. Click on it and let's go back to our Exness account. So choose your account and click on these three dots on the right and choose account information. Okay, now copy this one, MT5 login, and paste it here. Then type your password, the password of this account. Okay, now and after that we have the server. So let's go back, and as you can see here, the server is Exness MT5 trial. So let's choose it. So let's search for it. MT5 trial, this one, Exness MT5 trial. So let's check again. This, okay, it's correct. After that, just click on finish. So to see if we connected it successfully, just go to account, and as you can see here, this is the account. This is my account, AB Amrani, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you the next one.